Hey guys, Dr. Wong here with Next Level Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to talk all about tension headache. What is it, why you get it, as well as how to get rid of it. If you've ever had tension in the back and side of your neck to the forehead, you've probably experienced a tension headache. Now this can be caused by daily stress, poor posture, or bad habits. When tension headaches get unresolved, you might also feel it behind your eyes. One of the most common causes of tension headaches are the muscles behind the neck called the suboccipital muscles. These muscles can get compressed and tight whenever you're in a slouch position or in a forward head posture. In my clinic, the people who have the greatest risk of developing tension headaches are those who are sitting at a desk job or looking down for prolonged periods of time in awkward neck positions. So what I'm going to do next is show you some ways to get rid of tension headaches for good. With tension headaches, the suboccipital muscles behind the neck get tight and sore, so the first thing you want to do is actually give those muscles some relief. The way you do that is through massage or trigger point release. To find the suboccipital muscles, you run your fingers down the middle back of your head until you feel the skull dips in. Once you're there, run your fingers tracing the ridge towards both ears until you feel a bump. To massage the suboccipital muscles, you can trace the ridge with your fingers on both sides for 4 rounds of 15 seconds. Tip your head back to get the muscle to relax more. If you want to make this more aggressive with the trigger point release, you can use a finger or a blunt object to press into the sore spot along the ridge as you tip your head back. Hold each sore spot for 4 rounds of 15 seconds. Now that the suboccipital muscles are nice and relaxed, it's time to further loosen them with a stretch called a chin tuck lift off. The first thing you want to do is sit up straight and form 2 C grips with your hands. Put one hand on your chin and the other one along the ridge. As you push the chin back with one hand, use the other hand on the neck to pull up toward the sky. If you're doing this correctly, you'll feel a nice stretch behind the neck. Hold this for 4 rounds of 15 seconds. If you want to take this to the next level and put emphasis on one side of your neck, you can turn your head to one side and repeat the chin tuck lift off. The armpit sniff stretch. The levator scapula starts from your head and attaches to the shoulder blade. You have one on each side. The first thing you want to do is sit up straight. In order to stretch the right one, you want to sit on top of your right hand and turn your head towards your left armpit. Using your left hand, pull your head towards the left armpit. You'll feel a stretch on the right side of your neck. Hold this for 4 rounds of 15 seconds. To stretch the left levator scapula, you sit on top of your left hand and use the right hand to pull the head towards the right armpit. Hold this for 4 rounds of 15 seconds. The upper trapezius stretch. The upper trapezius muscle starts from the head and attaches to the shoulder blade. The first thing you want to do is sit up straight. To stretch your left upper trap, you sit on top of your left hand, look straight ahead, and use your right hand to pull your head towards your right shoulder. Now that you know how to get rid of tension headaches, let me know which of these techniques works best for you. Also, if you found these videos helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. As always, move better, age stronger, and I'll see you next time.